Hi there, my name's Jake and welcome to the new Arbor Upcycle website. Here you can browse through and purchase from our stock of slab wood and handmade products, as well as communicate with us or follow some of our ongoing projects. I'm going to walk you through some of these features on the website, so let's take a look. So on the homepage here, our banner shows you some current posts you can click through, some Facebook Live videos, blog posts, and some special offers that are going on right now. We also have links to our socials up here on the top left, so you can connect with us on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and other social media. Scrolling down, you'll see featured products showcasing some of our awesome creations, as well as some new products and clearance products. Towards the bottom of the page, you can see a quick description of where our lumber comes from, all responsibly sourced from the local San Francisco area. At the bottom of the page is a contact form where you can reach out to us with any questions or comments. And at the very bottom of the page, we have our social links again where you can connect with us. You can also sign up for our newsletter to receive periodic updates and special offers. Back at the top of the homepage, you can navigate through several different tabs to find what you're looking for. First up is wood slabs. Here you can either go to all wood slabs, or if you're looking for something more particular like raw stumps, book match tables, dry slabs, dry rounds, or even a slab from a particular species of tree, you can find it right here. So if we go into all wood slabs, you can scroll through all the different shapes, sizes, and species of slab that we have available. If you're looking for something specific, you can select filter options on the left here to search for just the right thing. You can select for the species of the tree, the thickness, width, or length of the slab, price, whether it's on sale, different categories it might fall into, or any special characteristics you might be looking for. Tons of options here so you can find just the right piece. The next tab is Other Products, where you can see some of our handmade creations, tables, cutting boards, benches, coffee tables, etc. At the bottom of this menu, we also offer Arbor Upcycle apparel, custom shirts and hats emblazoned with our logo. Next up is rounds and ovals. The same options are available for sorting by species, length, thickness, etc. Next we have custom creations. We specialize in taking these beautiful slabs of wood and turning them into custom creations for you, whether it be a dining table, a coffee table, a dog bed, or anything else you might want us to come up with. In the About Us tab, you can read about who we are and what our mission and philosophy is. In the Videos tab, you can see an introductory video telling a little bit of our story, but also some of our craftsmen in action in a series of episodes following the progress of specific projects we have going on right now. In the blog, you'll find the latest news and information about some of our latest projects, or even how to care for your Arbor Upcycle wood products. Then we have some frequently asked questions regarding our lumber and our process, as well as a Contact Us page. Finally, we have the Retailers tab, where you can see a list of local retailers who are offering our products for sale in their shops. So that's a quick walkthrough of our website. I hope this was helpful, and be sure to reach out if you have any further questions or comments. But also, feel free to stop by and visit our shop anytime. We are always happy to show you around our workspace so you can see our process and meet our craftsmen. Thanks for watching.